Twinkle Time.
Hi, friends! Let's sing and count to 5. One little duck went swimming one day over the pond and far away. 10. Two little ducks went swimming one day. 2. 3 little ducks went swimming one day. Hooray! 4 little ducks went swimming one day. 4. 5 little ducks went swimming one day. 5. Now we have 5 yellow ducks swimming in the pond today. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks go swim, swim, swim. Yellow and fluffy just like him. 1 splashes water, splash, splash, splash. 1 spins around, round and fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sleeping ducks, shh. Quiet time. We learn number 5. Now give me a high five! Hooray! 5! You are super smart. See you for number 6. Bye-bye!